Hello, welcome back. Today I'm going to make two quick and easy watercolor cards. I am using my palette with distress inks in it. I'm going to take my watercolor paper and put water all over the background so I have a wet surface to work on. These pieces are 3 3/4 by 5 inches. I'm going to first use Peacock Feathers Distress ink to put all over the top 2/3 of the background. I'm trying to create a sky look here, and then I'll put some green on the bottom of it. So I'm going to make it so it easily transitions from dark to light, and I don't really want a lot of streaks in there, so I'm trying to make sure that the streaks are out of there as well. So the green that I'm using is called Mowed Lawn, and I'm just going to make it an ombre effect into the blue. So I'm starting at the bottom, and as I go up, the green is going to get lighter and then transition into the blue. So once I have my backgrounds the way I like them, I need to let them dry. This is the stamp set that I'm using. It's a Stampers Anonymous set called Mini Bouquet, and I'm going to be using black Archival ink to stamp my images. So you can stamp as many or as few as you like, and just keep stamping until you have a look that you like. This particular set has several different silhouette floral images in there, so I'm going to use several different ones in these cards. And I'm using black Archival ink. You could use whatever color you want. I wanted to just create a very simple silhouette look to them. You could even stamp a sentiment onto the front of these cards as well. It's completely your choice what you want to do. So I'm using a different flower silhouette for this one. And I'm going to lay it out just a little bit different, so I've got two different looking cards here. And again, for this one, I'm using the black Archival as well. Again, stamp as many or as few as you like. You could stamp them in color if you want. I'm choosing to simply stamp them in black. And I'm also using a few different ones, but if you wanted to use just one silhouette, you could easily do that. So I'm using Tombow Multi to glue my layers together. I love this glue because you need very little of it. When you put your pieces of paper down, you have about 5 seconds to shimmy things in place, and then it's stuck. And it sticks so well that if you were to take it apart after that, you'd be ripping things. So nothing falls apart with it, which is something that I absolutely love. So I have my white card bases. I'm adding a black matte to really make the black stamped images pop. And then I'm going to glue my watercolor pieces to the front. And again, you could add sentiments as well. You could put sentiments inside, you could add ribbons or embellishments, but I'm leaving them very simple. And that's the finished cards. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you for spending time with me. Like and subscribe for more.